Hey guys, Mitch here. Today we're going over a jailbreak app that allows you to enhance your iOS camera's experience, known as CameraTweak. Now this will add the needed enhancements and features to Apple's iOS camera app that aren't normally found within iOS itself. Now this will add the following enhancements to both the photo camera along with the video camera. So let's jump right into it. So opening up the camera here, you will see at the bottom left hand corner we do have a new toggle that allows us to change out the white balance, so you can easily unlock and lock that to change the balance in the background. Now underneath that you will see a silver dial here, and clicking on that will get you into the core content for the CameraTweak. So the first option, this is the different type of modes. We have an advanced mode and the normal mode. Now if we go into the advanced mode, you will be able to separate both the focus and the exposure views. So if you want to expose the top right hand corner here, but if you want to focus like one of the images such as Photoshop here, you can independently move both these views as a separate view to each corner of your device. Now if you do want to have them into one, you can easily just click on the screen and they will be combined into one into the other, and you can easily focus your background by just pointing and it will change out the lighting for the different pictures. Now our second option, this is the Lapse timer mode. Now this will allow you to take a picture every few seconds that you do set. So you can change this out from seconds to minutes and back to seconds, and using the plus and the minus toggles to see how long you want it to actually take a picture for the certain amount of seconds. So if you want to have it for every 3 seconds, you would set that and click capture here, and as you can see it would count down from 3 seconds down to 1, take a picture, and then start back up at 3 seconds and count back down. So this is great if you wanted to have it set somewhere and really just take a time lapse of the day, as it does take pictures for the set amount of time that you do have, and then to easily stop this you can just click the stop button. Now the third option, this is the timer mode. Now this is one option that needs to be incorporated into Apple's iOS camera app. So you will be able to have a timer. You can choose all the way down to 1 second all the way up to 3 seconds, and then you can easily go ahead and take a picture and it will count down from the certain amount of time, in this case 3 seconds, and snap a picture. So if you want to hold it out in front of you and have a group picture, this is a great idea. Now the last option, this is the composition overlays. So as you can see, this will add the different grid lines to the back of your device. So as you can see, if you go ahead and swipe those down, you will be able to add the different grid lines. So this is like a kind of a diagonal here. You have a circle. We have a tic-tac-toe board here in the back, which is default, and you will be able to line up your picture using these grid lines on your camera. Now CameraTweak also works for the video camera as well. So if you go ahead and switch over to your video camera, you will have the same basic white balance mode here, and clicking the silver dial will bring up the advanced options. So the first one, you do have these separate focus and exposure views as well, so you can independently move those throughout your screen to really get the lighting just right for the video. And the second option, this is the frame rate settings. Now this will allow you to customize the different frame rates on your device. Now what exactly is frame rate? Well, it will combine the different pictures to make video. So if your frame rate is very low in this case and you have a moving object, you will see that it will move really slow. It's not as flush or as like nice as you would say on a video camera. Now this is great in some instances, but if you did want to get it back up to the default 30, which it is, you can do that. Now CameraTweak will allow you to go over 30, so this makes this video a lot more flush, if you would like to call it. As you can see, my hand in the background is moving faster than my hand in real life here. So guys, that's the frame rate settings. In addition to that, we also have the resolution settings here. So clicking on that, you can change it from 1280 by 720. We have 920 by 1080, and some resolutions are not supported on the certain devices, so it just depends on what camera on your device really accepts the different rates here. So we do have a low transfer rate, we have a medium transfer rate here, 352 by 288, 640, 960, and just goes up all the way up to your 1920 by your 1080. Last but not least, this is the frame guide. Now this allows you to customize what width you actually want to take video. So in this case we have the 4x3, and this is indicated by the little black bars that are on the top and the bottom of your device that really justify the picture that you are taking video. So this is 16 by 9 here. We also have 2 by 35 by 1, so you can see the black bars on the sides here, and you can get the frame guide just perfect for your video standards. So guys, this is a look at CameraTweak, which allows you to add enhancements for both the photo camera and the video camera on your iOS device. If interested, you can head over to Cydia's Big Boss Repo and pick up CameraTweak for $1. If you guys do like these videos, don't forget to give a like up, leave any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Thanks guys.